Ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to invite Sir Awais on stage to tell us about rules and regulation and introduction of judges. A big clap for Sir Awais.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to this event by NICON Talent Hunt. I am Muhammad Awais, an ELT instructor at the main campus of NICON Group of Colleges, Islamabad and Rawalpindi. I'm here to give you the introduction of our respectable guests and as well as the judges for today's debate competition. So I will start with the name of Almighty Allah, and let's start the introduction. So the chief guest for today's event is Brigadier Retired Sir Uzair Ahmed, and serving as a General Manager, Admin, Security and EHS PDCL, a soldier, a leader. Sir, thank you very much for coming here. Thank you very much for taking out time from your busy routine. We are honored and privileged to have you here. And the guest of honor for today's event is respectable Sir Fahad Barlas. He is Director, Park World Trade and Expo Center and International Business Trade Consultant. Thank you very much. Now let's move towards the judges, the adjudicators of today's debate competitions. Our first judge for today's competition is Sir Mr. Habibullah, founder and CEO of Diversity. His vision is to encourage youth of Pakistan to support their family financially. And second judge for today's competition is Ma'am Sayyida Sumaira Kazmi, an educationist. Her objective is to utilize her knowledge in teaching children from their early childhood by planning and implementing activities that promote the social, physical, and intellectual growth of children. She is qualified as a professional development trainer from Oxford University, UK. And the third judge for the day is respectable Advocate High Court LLM BCU UK, Sir Amir Suhail Anjum. He a panel advocate of Oil and Gas Development Authority, that is OGDCL, and Federal Board of Revenue, that is FBR. His objective is to provide legal opinion and advice with full commitment, honesty, and sincerity as required by any private company or organization. Now let's move towards the rules and regulations for speech competitions, both for Urdu and English debate competitions. So the first rule is that your content should be related to the topic, and the topics are, for Urdu speech, that is Shahid ki jo maut hai wo qawm ki hayat hai, and for English debate competition the topic is legacy of martyrs. And the second rule is the time allowed is 2 minutes and 30 seconds only, and the first bell will ring exactly at 2 minutes, and the second will ring at 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And the third rule is that your arguments, your logics, examples, and evidence must not be politically or religiously biased and must not be targeting anyone at all. And the fourth rule: in debate competition, paper reading is not allowed. Although I am not here for debate, so I am reading from the paper. But not for the debate competition. For national songs competition, the time allowed is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And if someone takes more than the given time, they will lose marks. Last but not the least is that the decision of the judges will be considered as the final decision. So may I request my judges to leave your comments on given papers about the individual performances and as well as the overall performances of our participants. Thank you very much indeed.